Farron.
Maria may have managed to get her weight under control. She needs to be body conscious.
Try to watch my weight. I don't want to go back. But sometimes it doesn't matter what I look like to me, you know? Ready? Because people do look at her already. I want her to be say normal because nobody knows what normal is, but you know, besides you're supposed to be at your age.
Man, scared the poo right out of her.
We had this project at school. I had pictures of my mom, and they hung it up on the wall. They had like this hero, and I put my mom up there. And I was looking on the wall, and say, "Oh my God, look how fat that lady is." And it hurt me. But they don't care. Everything to them is about size and shape and stuff.
Put it down.
Good morning. How are you, Renee? Is it okay? You ready for this? Alright. We're gonna get going in a few minutes and get you fixed up, huh? Alright.
Renee is heavily sedated after having a clotting filter placed in her main artery. Finally, the moment has arrived. Renee is ready for surgery.
Hi, Smiley.
Start a new one.
How do you feel?